The latest release of Photoshop CC includes powerful new features to help you work even better. Get more control over your design with our improved content-aware fill tool powered by Adobe Sensei. Choose which pixels to use in your fills and which to exclude. You can even create fills on separate layers. And turn shapes or text into frames with our new frame tool. Just drag and drop images whenever you're ready and they'll automatically be resized to fit the frame. Now you can paint in a perfectly symmetrical pattern thanks to our new Symmetry Mode. Then you can choose from preset types like circular, radial, spiral, and mandala. Just choose your axis or axes and the number of segments. We've also made a number of user experience improvements to make Photoshop more intuitive. This includes our multiple undo function, allowing you to go back multiple steps without having to use the history panel. Just Command Z as many times as you need to get back to where you want. And you can work uninterrupted with our new auto commit feature. Your actions like crop, place, transform, and text entry will be automatically committed when you click on a new tool or layer. You don't have to hit return or check the box anymore. Now when you're using blend modes, you can see a preview of each mode on your canvas before you commit to a change. This saves you the time of having to guess and then undo if you don't like the results. Check out all this and more in our new release of Adobe Photoshop CC.